Hey guys, this is the start of a new video series I had in mind. Recently, I've been fascinated by commerce style videos, which often goes against my vibe as a content creator, but I still wanted to add a relaxing and completely separate series to the channel in which stray cats in a particular subcolony each eat and react to a new brand of food. Stray cats are not usually known as picky, but we know some kitties with some high-end tastes. The subcolony we'll be visiting is one of my favorites, known as the Bushes subcolony. The brand we'll be having the cats review is a new one for me, by the name of I and Love and You, sent in by viewer Moonlit Mandy. Thanks Mandy. It offers 3 distinct flavors: Chicky Delish Stew with chicken and gravy, the Salmon Enchanted Evening with salmon and gravy, and the Tuna Fantastic Stew with tuna and, you guessed it, gravy. It seems like a really cute design, and the package carries 12 cans, but I won't be the one to give the say to the food. We'll start with the Tuna Fantastic. Looks like that's our first approval. This time we'll use the Salmon Enchanted Stew. The next one will be the chicken with gravy. I think it's safe to say they liked it. Rajah here is a fan favorite. I mean, look at him. How could he not be? But he has a reputation to eat everything in sight. So to really test how he feels about the brand, let's give him the Tuna Fantastic flavor. Well, he didn't clean his plate, but oh, he's not done. I would say he likes it. Another yes. We used a few more flavors for some of the background kitties, like Cinder. She approached the food a few times, but she didn't even want to take a bite. But luckily, we got somebody with taste. Klondike is a fan. The next one will be the chicken with gravy. Sunset is a cat who primarily prefers nip over food, so to see him get his fill is high praise. Looks like the reviews are in. I would like to end the video with our donators for the month of August. I'm super grateful for you guys, and at least recognizing you guys is the very least I could do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and expect more with new colonies and different cats and different foods.